Greetings all around this world. We are the Quest Bros, and we're here to talk about our sponsor, Strideline.
Yeah, we're really growing as a YouTube channel thanks to you guys. And now that we're starting to grow some more, we were able to get some sponsorship. So, Strideline, they're a sock company. They sent us an 8-pack of socks, which is really cool.
Yeah.
And these are going to be a great thing for Father's Day too, since that's coming up this weekend.
Mm-hmm. You know how your dad will always get you socks for Christmas? Now you can do the same for Father's Day.
Exactly.
All right, now let's try and open this.
Yeah, so we're going to do an unboxing.
Oh, hey, I found a knife.
God.
It's fine. Look, some people will hide guns throughout their house. We hide knives.
Yes.
Except not really.
This is a really nice box it came in though too.
Yeah, I'm trying not to stab the crap out of it.
Oh, and it's like an actual Strideline box too. It's got the symbol right here at the front.
Oh, that's nice. It's not going to show up on camera.
No, probably not. Please don't cut yourself. I cut myself at work today.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm trying not to cut myself or destroy the box, because this is a nice box. Look at this.
Holy crap.
Yeet! Yeah, the most comfortable sock on earth.
Wow. Yeah, so Strideline also has a guarantee that if they are not the most comfortable socks, in your opinion, they will return your socks and give you a full refund.
Look at this slow reveal. This is a tall box.
It is. What's an 8-pack?
You know that, you know how Pixar would have that weird THX thing?
Yeah.
It's like the rumble before the Oh, there it is. There we go. There's the
Okay, this is a really nice box.
Yeet. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh boy, socks!
Wow. They smell pretty good.
Yeah, it's that new sock smell.
Yes.
Shall we?
We shall.
Alright. I always don't know how to take these off without ruining or like getting a hole.
Do you have that knife?
Do I? I just take out another knife. It's like, where do you keep getting those? Like I said, hidden knives.
Okay. These are like very soft and they're like very durable.
Yeah.
They feel like very thick.
They're very strict. The hole that was there, like from when I pulled the thread through to snap it, it's gone.
That's good.
Are they like... Are they self-fixing?
I want to bring this up to the camera. They've got like these weird designs in them too.
Yeah, I'm just going to rotate them like this.
Yeah, here we go.
This is for all you feet people.
If you're really into feet, this is going to be a great video for you.
Yeah. Now, should I be that heretic that wears the right on the left and the left on the right?
Are they? Oh my god, they're actually labeled?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like we shouldn't.
No, we got to wear them on the right.
Yeah, because if they're going to be as comfortable as possible.
Oh my god, just putting my feet in here.
Oh, what the fuck? Whoa.
Holy crap.
Oh.
Okay, this is not like us being over dramatic too. Like
no,
these are actually
these are plush.
Yeah, these are plush socks.
It's like wearing a slipper, but without the floppiness of the slipper.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's like a sandal.
Yeah. What was really cool too, so I guess you can't really see. So we put the feet up here. They came in a bunch of different lengths and different colors too. So we just got the basic white, and we got the medium length too. There are ones that go like even higher, and ones that were shorter.
They have like the weird.
These are the in between, which are nice.
Yeah, they have a little tongue-like thing on the back.
Yeah, right here on the back.
Like for like your shoe.
Oh my god, these are like really comfortable. I was like, ooh. At first you think like, oh, okay, cool, they're gonna send us some socks.
Yeah.
They're just gonna be socks, but no, like these are like actually like very comfortable. They're warm.
They have extra padding near the heel and the ball of the foot.
Yeah. So no, these would actually make a really good Father's Day gift. Any type of gift you would want to give.
And what kind of colors do they come in?
They come in white, gray, and black.
So perfect for if you want to have comfortable dress shoes that aren't like weird nylon dress shoes.
Yeah, that are like a millimeter thick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like, like you could just stretch them and they would tear.
Yeah. I mean, these socks are like outside too. They're very soft.
Oh yeah. It's, and they kind of have like a weird like a cool armor design.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and like you can see it in them too, that there's holes in them
for breathing.
Yeah, so your feet don't get real stinky and gross.
Yeah, I have that problem, which is why I was like, oh god, my feet are gonna stink. I have to take off my socks. But now I don't have to worry about that because breathable socks.
Okay, so now I'm curious. What if we put them on the other feet? Like put the right on the left.
Yeah.
Will they feel weird like if you do it with shoes? Just watch my foot just fall off. The socks are actually designed to self-destruct if you put them on the wrong feet.
No, it still feels fine.
Mine feels weird. It could be because my foot was positioned, like my foot formed it already.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, it does feel. Huh.
I think yeah, because like right here, you can't really see here. Right here, there's like a little bit extra because my big toe is supposed to be on this side.
Oh yeah. Now I feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like a gap between the pinky toe and the ring toe.
Yeah.
Is that ring? Yeah.
Okay.
All
So
right.
yeah. So if you're wondering, hey, Quest Bros, I want to get some of these socks.
Yeah.
How can I do that? Jared, do you know how people can get their own socks?
Of course I can. Sorry, as I switch these back. If you go on to the Strideline website, which I believe is just strideline.com.
Yep, it's right here.
And enter in the code QUEST, you can get 10% off your entire purchase.
Yeah, so yeah, promo code QUEST, one word. It's only one word.
Only one word.
No bro, just QUEST.
Just QUEST.
10% off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks again to Strideline for sending us these socks. These are actually like really comfortable.
I'm going to wear these socks for the rest of the day.
Yeah, no, these are good. They've got different, they don't just have 8 packs, so if you want just a single pack, you can do that.
Yeah.
They've got single, double, there's a lot.
All shapes, all colors, all sizes.
Yeah, guys
or at
and
least
girls.
monotone colors.
Yeah. No, so thanks again to Strideline for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for supporting us so much that we're now able to get sponsorship. It really means a lot. We're really growing.
Yeah.
And it's really cool to see how far we've come. Jared, do you have anything else to say?
I really like these socks.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time.
All right, goodbye.